In this movie, I want to demonstrate how to do a passage analysis using some of the Logos system tools. We're going to be looking at Galatians 6 here. And the first tool that I want to demonstrate is the passage analysis tool, the pericope sets. So we're looking at Galatians 6. I'll scroll up a little bit here so that we can get the whole context. Make sure we get the whole setting. We'll do Galatians 6, 1 through 18. And I have four different versions here, but we can, just by looking at this quickly, we can see how much of a range of interpretation there is in the outline of this passage. Here the ESV has two different segments, bearing one another's burdens and final warning and benediction, whereas the New American Standard Bible has the entire section under one heading. The New King James Version really goes into detail and gives us four different blocks. The NIV and the ESV are pretty much the same divisions, ending at verse 10 and then starting 11 through 18, a new section. Another thing that we can look at to get a better idea is the Version River. And the Version River shows us how each of these translations relates to each other on this text, and where they're most divergent and where they are most unified. And so we see that towards the end here is where they're most unified in verse 17. Little to no divergence of translation opinion on that, whereas over here in verses 3 and 4 there's really quite a bit of divergence in the translations.